Hi, Colin Rains here with the Chris Scott team. Thanks for tuning in. As we get deeper into the month of December, the general perception is that the housing market slows right down. Holiday preparations begin in earnest, family vacations are taken, the cold weather starts to set in, so people's focus shifts from a move in the cold, dark winter months towards the spring season. Now, while this is true to a degree, the fact remains there are still a lot of buyers out there who are left over still trying to find their next home. The last 18 months has been very challenging for buyers in our market, and the fact remains that they've lost out on multiple offer situations and are competing as well against rising interest rates and average sale prices. If we look a little bit closer at the numbers, we do see a bit of a different story. We see persistent low levels of supply and selection as the major contributing factors to this trend. Sale prices continue to rise a little bit over this time last year, and the number of days on market has lowered to just over 2 months. As well, the Bank of Canada has chosen to hold their overnight interest rate at the same spot, although they did raise it 3 times in 2018. Recent news about an oversupply of oil in Canada, one of our biggest exports, and some global uncertainties have prompted them to maintain the status quo for now. Reports do indicate that the rate will go up again in 2019 to keep in line with Canada's rising inflation rate. And as a result, it looks like a pretty robust and competitive market as we head into the first and second quarters of 2019. Along with rising house prices and lower inventory, we also find an even more tight rental market here in Ottawa as of the last few months, which is bringing in a lot of investors. Foreign investors, veteran investors from other cities, and first-time investors here in Ottawa are really trying to capitalize on the fact that other market centers in Canada are not rising as quickly as they were, and it seems that right now it's Ottawa's time to shine. We're working with a number of investors, both buyers and sellers, even in these late days in December, as people try to focus their money and find another place to invest as the fiscal year comes to an end. So all this points to much more of the same for 2019 here in Ottawa. We thank you for a great year here. I've had a great time here on the team. And we're looking forward to helping as many service personnel, families, and investors as we can next year. So please reach out anytime you think we can help you achieve your goals. From all of us here on the Chris Scott team, have a great Christmas season. Thank you so much, and we're looking forward to a fulfilling and successful year ahead. Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching.